The world of technology is evolving faster than ever. To succeed, you need the right skills and guidance. Welcome to SV Trainings, your global IT learning partner. With expert trainers and real-time projects, we help you master in-demand IT skills. From AI and data science to cybersecurity and programming, we cover it all. At SV Trainings, we believe in empowering your IT journey. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, we have something for everyone. Dive into cutting-edge technologies like AI, data science, and machine learning. Explore cloud platforms like Azure, AWS, GCP, Snowflake, Big Data and Hadoop, Azure Data Engineering, Data Analytics, and Power BI Master Cybersecurity with courses in ethical hacking and penetration testing. Unlock the potential of enterprise applications like Salesforce and SAP. Learn programming languages from Python to Java full stack and beyond. Automate your workflow with tools like Dell Boomi and UiPath. Specialized tracks like Business Analyst and Digital Marketing await you. Whatever your career path, SV Trainings is your gateway to IT excellence. Join thousands who have transformed their careers with us. Why choose SV Trainings? Expert trainers, flexible learning, and 24/7 support. Learn today, lead tomorrow. Visit svtrainings.com. SV Trainings. Learn today, lead tomorrow. For more details, connect with us on a call, WhatsApp, or visit our website. Details shared above.